other garden, guys. I can already see some more cucumbers. Oh, these are little baby ones. I might actually, I think I'll let them grow a little bit more. Shut up! Shut up! Goats. Should I just leave them on for a bit? I think they're, what do you think? Too small?
Yeah.
I'll let them go a little bit more.
Leave.
Okay. Right, let's go check out here in a minute and see. Do you really lettuce? Do you want some lettuce? No? We've got Swiss chard here. Swiss chard. Grapes are coming. Grapes. Oh, I love these. Look, guys, this is artichoke flower. So these are the artichoke plants, and then they do this beautiful flower. It's just amazing. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm going to take this off. This is Sarah another zucchini. Guarda quante melanzane ci stanno sulle piante là, che bello. Okay.
Quello non è nostro.
Guys, gardening is a chore. Gardening is a chore, but it's fun. You can make it work even if you grow the smallest amount in your garden or whatever. And eating well does not have to be complicated. Eating well is about honestly like looking after you. You know what is good for you and what's not good for you. So if you want to eat that cheeseburger and continue pretending to yourself that you're doing yourself well, be my guest. But if you know that salad is going to make you feel amazing and give you a thin stomach and you're going to feel amazing, then why not? We cannot keep living in this gluttony, greedy system that we're in, because you know, I think most of us unfortunately are thinking with our greediness when we know we should be eating for nutrition. Am I right? Am I right? I don't know. Do you know what? I'm gonna take a big salad as well. Let me get this out. Hello. And a nice green salad. Okay. I'll see you soon in the next video, okay guys? Bye!
E così buone, siamo stati buoni. Però...
Tu sei stato fortunato, no? Sei stato fortunato perché...